duration, work and units in MSP. When you first assign the resources to task, the task duration is connected to the work and the units of that resource assignment. That is, take a look at this table. In first row, when we assign resources, we give input to work and units. Project calculates duration according to that. This is about default mode. We can change these task types to fixed units, fixed work and fixed duration. We will see them shortly in details, but before that, work. What is work? If you estimate task duration and specify the units that a resource devotes to the task, the project calculates hours of work the resource must perform. For example, you know some specific task will take 5 days to complete, that is duration is 5 days, and resource assigned to that task is working 100% on that task. What is 100% means is if your working calendar have 8 hours per day excluding breaks and lunchtime, then resource will work full 8 hours on that activity. If it is 50%, the resource will work 4 hours only. So 5 days into 8 hours per day, which is our standard working hour according to calendar, into 1 for 100% unit assignment. If that resource is working only half day, that is 50%, you can give 0.5 resource unit likewise. Now coming to duration, if you estimate the amount of work a task requires, project calculates the task's duration based on the resource units. For instance, you know some task will take 40 hours of work with resource assigned at 50%, that is 0.5, and considering 8 hours work days will produce a 10-day duration. The third one is units. In projects, some situations may occur that we want to know or we want to determine how much resource should spend a day, that is, how much time he should spend on a specific activity. We know how many work hours will be needed and also how long we want the task to be. By giving this information, project calculates the units that resource must spend on. Suppose we have work of 8 hours and we have 4 days available to do this task in our schedule. So the resource have to spend 2 hours a day, or we can say resource assigned 25% based on 8-hour workday, that is 2 by 8 is equal to 0.25, that is 25%. We have seen work duration and units. Now let's understand most important concept regarding this. Most of us gets confused what happens when one of the parameter is fixed. What impact will it have on others? I will try to explain in details. So let's do it. First we will fix duration, or we can say maintain task duration. Because of some project constraints, it often happens that we have to finish some task in given period of time. So we have to maintain or fix the duration which we have planned. If we do so, what effect will it have on work and units if we change them? If we change task amount of work, then project adjusts tasks peak units to keep or to maintain duration which we have set. And if we change the units, the project adjusts its amount of work to keep the same duration. Can we change the duration here? Yes, we can. It is fixed. It doesn't mean that we cannot change it. It fixes whatever we enter in duration cell. Now, if we change duration in fixed duration tasks, project adjusts the amount of work because software is biased toward changing work before units. That is, software is designed in such a way that it will change work, not units. And that's done because of logic. Logically, amount of work can change on project more often than tasks unit. We seldom change. We rarely change units of task, and that's why it is so. Let's see when we freeze amount of work and we change duration. If we change task duration, project adjusts tasks peak units to keep the amount of work the same. Let's take example. If a resource is assigned 40 hours of work in a week, that is 7 working days with initial assignment units of 100%. If we change the task duration to 10 days, that is 3 more days, 7 plus 3, peak units drops to 50% to maintain same amount of work. Because our amount of work is fixed, we are changing duration, so peak units has to adjust. If we fix amount of work and if we change task units, the project adjusts its duration. Example, if a resource is assigned to work 40 hours in 5 days and you change the units to 50%, the task duration increases to 10 days. As simple as that. Now, if we change amount of work in fixed work tasks, project adjusts the task duration because project is designed in such a manner that it is biased against changing units. What we can learn from this is, in both fixed duration and fixed amount of work, if we change duration and amount of work respectively, units will not get changed because project is biased against changing units. The other parameter with it will get changed. Like we have seen earlier, in fixed duration, if we change duration, amount of work will be adjusted, not units. And also in fixed amount of work, if we change amount of work, duration will get adjusted, not units. This is how software is designed or engineered, we can say. But what will happen if we fix units? The fixed units task type keep units constant. If we change task duration, then project adjusts the amount of work based on set units. If we change the amount of work, then project adjusts the task duration based on set units. Now, the most awaited part, if we change unit in fixed unit tasks, then project adjusts task duration and amount of work is same. Because project is built in program is biased towards changing duration before work. Now it's probably be clear to us what will change if we change or fix one parameter and what effects will it have on other parameters. If you like my work, do like, share with your friends, put up on WhatsApp status, Instagram stories, in your study groups, and more importantly subscribe for many more videos like this. Stay tuned, signing off.